Hello and welcome to the new course of project management. So in this course, we will be looking into the project management fundamental concepts and the success measures, how we will measure the success of a project management of a project, I would say. So let's begin with the introduction section. So in this entire course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to become a confident project manager, to deliver a successful project, and to satisfy all the clients with their requirements and objectives. We will explore every stage of the project lifecycle, starting from initiation, planning phase, execution phase, control and monitoring, and finally the conclusion, that is the closing phase of the project. From the very fundamental concept to the project successful completion. So let's start the project management. So the entire course will be divided into different 8 videos. So from the very beginning, we will understand what is the meaning of project management, and before that, we will understand what is the meaning of project. So in the project management interpretation, that is the first video, we will be delve into the fundamental principles of project management. You will gain a clear understanding of what project management entails, its importance in achieving the organizational goals, and essential skills needed to excel the project manager. In the second stage, we will start with understanding of how the success is measured for the project. So in setting stage for success, we will be focusing on steps that lay the foundation of the successful project. We will be discussing how to define project objective effectively, how to communicate with the client so that all the objectives and requirements are very well clearly defined and documented. We will identify the different stakeholders and establish a realistic expectation to ensure ensure alignment with the project goals from the very starting phase of the project. In the third video, we will be setting a roadmap. So in the roadmap section, the essential component is creating a comprehensive project charter, and then we will be looking into the project plan. We will cover different techniques for defining project scope, crafting a work breakdown structure, laying out the work scope of work, and develop a realistic schedule, and estimating a resources to effectively manage project activities and deliverables. So this is a very important phase where when most of the project manager there spend almost, it's the highest point where project manager they spend the most of their time in the entire project management lifecycle. Moving towards the mastering project schedule. So in this section, we will be dive deep into the project scheduling methodologies techniques. You will learn how to prioritize tasks, manage different dependencies, conduct critical path analysis, and optimize resources allocation to ensure projects stay on track and meet deadline effectively. After completing these 4 sections, we will move to the fifth video, which is on power of agile methodologies. So you might or might not be familiar with the different approach of project management, but we will be discussing that in the videos. And this is one of the method which is a very powerful method. It's called agile methodology. This is a very transformative approach which will deliver a project in a very good manner, which helps clients satisfy their requirement in a very short duration of time. When the project objectives are not very well defined, the deliverable is not very well clear, project this method is very helpful. in that scenario. So we will be exploring the agile principles such as iterative development, continuous improvement, adaptive planning, customer collaboration, and how agile enhance flexibility and responsiveness in a project. Moving towards the executing project successfully. So this stage will be focusing on task management technique, risk identification and mitigation strategies, communication plan, and team leadership practice. This will ensure project progress smoothly and achieve the desired outcome. In the next, and after that, just completing this, we will be in the completion stage of the project. Once we monitor the project, we will reach a stage where we deliver a solution or a product to the client. And this is where we have to analyze the different things. It is not like we have just completed the project, so we are not going to support with any documentation part. So this stage will highlight the importance of completion stage. We will examine the process of formal project closure, including the finalizing deliverables, conducting a lesson learned sessions, and transitioning project responsibility to stakeholders, ensuring that everything goes seamless handover and maximize the project success. And in the final section, it's not just we are looking into different points, but we are going to delve more into the different sections of the project documentation, which is how project documents are important in the successful project delivery. It is not just we have to deliver a project, but it is also important to make sure everything is documented throughout the project life cycle, and we will discuss what are the key documents such as project plans, report, project evaluation, and what are the best practices for the project management. And finally, so we will conclude this presentation and remember that effectively project management is more than just following a sets of steps. It's about understanding the nuances of each project and adapting your approach to ensure success. In the next chapter, we will delve more into the project management methodologies or project management interpretation section. Their application real world scenario. I will be talking about the real world example as well, so stay tuned, get ready to explore the deepen your understanding of project management. Thank you and bye for now.